Hi, and welcome to this video. This is a little more casual video as I run you through some of the lessons in the course and what they look like. First, it's important to know these lessons will help you to become conversational in basic medical Spanish for nurses. So as we look at these chapters here, you'll see there are 25 different chapters. As I go through these, you'll notice this little sign that says you don't currently have access to this content. That's because I'm not logged in. So you can see a little bit of what the content looks like from the outside. So I'll go ahead and hit this expand button here, and we'll go through a little bit of each lesson so you can see what it's like. First, you'll go through Greetings Part 1. It's in Chapter 1. Chapter 2 is Greetings Part 2. Chapter 3 is Negotiating a Conversation. This will teach you how to work through just about any situation that you may encounter. Chapter 4 is Common Nurse Phrases. Chapter 5, you learn how to ask, what is your name, and share your name. Chapter 6 is, do you speak English? Chapter 7 is Do You Speak English, as well as a review of that and some other lessons. Chapter 8, Where Does It Hurt? Chapter 9, Basic Anatomy and Phrases. Chapter 10 is Verifying the Pain. Chapter 11 is Spanish Numbers. Chapter 12 is What Type of Pain Do You Have? As well as you'll learn some anatomy. Chapter 13 is internal organs and anatomy. Chapter 14 is the pain scale and a basic anatomy review. Chapter 15 is Where Are You From? Chapter 16 is Where Are You From? Lesson 2. Chapter 17 is Patient Needs and Medication. Chapter 18 is Vital Stats and I'm going to take your blood pressure. Chapter 19 is How Do You Feel? Chapter 20, Type of Symptoms and How Long? Chapter 21 is More Symptoms. Chapter 22, it's a medical verbs review. Chapter 23 is you'll learn how to do a medical assessment. Lesson 1, and then the next one is a medical assessment, lesson 2. And finally, we get down to here where you'll watch a review video, and then you'll be able to see a comprehensive take a comprehensive exam review. This will prep you for the certification exam if you've purchased it. You'll be able to take this practice exam. It has a bank of 150 questions, and it will randomly choose 100, and you'll be able to take it as many times as you'd like to prepare for the certification exam. Now, most nurses get through all of these lessons in about 15 weeks, but you actually have a full year if you'd like to get through it. So I think that does it. Thank you so much for joining me today.